Hello friends, welcome back to Calls and Puts, and today's date is 7th of June and today is Saturday. So today it's time to review our weekly P&L. So let's start. So 5 days, 5 trades and capital is multiplied by around 1.5 times. That is around 150% or 160%. So let's check out. So we are at home page. So let's go to money section where we can check our trading journal or traders diary. So currently if you see, first let's start with the fund. So currently if you see, available balance is 38,000. So it is showing as per ledger opening balance 50,000 rupees. So there is a unrealized profit of 12,000 rupees which we have made on Friday. Once this 12,000 rupees will be added on Monday, our starting balance will be again 50,000 plus. So today morning I have placed withdrawal request of 12,000 rupees, the profit which we have made yesterday. This week I keep on withdrawing the profit on the same day or next early morning before starting of the trading day, so that capital can be limited to 50,000. This week I have strictly restricted capital to 50,000 and same will continue next week because this week we have made good profit. Now let's go to traders diary. So it is showing April, May, June, and this is showing the Friday's trade, that is 12,000 rupees profit. So as I have always mentioned, April was a losing month. May we have made good profit around 150k. So in this month of June we have traded on 5 days, that is first week. So we have traded on all 5 days, 5 trades, and capital is 160 or 150%. Okay, now let's go to trade breakup. So June 2nd we have made 18,000 rupees overall PNL. So this is a gross PNL. On June 3rd we have again made 9,000. June 4 we have made 9,500. June 5 on expiry we have made around 28 or 29,000, and Friday we have made 12,000 rupees. So total PNL stands at around 77 or 78. So let's go to monthly view or custom range. So I have already opened that. So currently it is showing PNL from 1st of May. So if we go to June first week, starting from 1st June was Sunday. So you can see 78,000 is overall PNL and net PNL is 77,000. So brokerage and charges is around 1,000 rupees. So these are the total 5 trades. Let's go to trading journal. So as I have mentioned, it is a consolidated trading journal as we have discussed earlier also. So I have added these 5 trades in the row below this month of May trades. So you can see total gross PNL is around 227 or 226 800. So it's less because we don't add fractions here. So if we go back again on monthly view, and if we say from May 1st, it is showing 227 774. So in trading journal we capture gross PNL because we consider entry and exit price, we don't deduct charges here. So it is showing the same 226 or 227. So important factor is to analyze this data. So if we see total number of trades from starting from May is 18, average winner is 19, average loser is around 11,000, max winning streak is 1 lakh rupees, max losing streak 35,000 rupees, and risk reward and R multiple stands at 1.7. So we are yet to cross 1 to 2 because of this big loss we have made, that is 35,000. Win rate is increased bit because of this 5 wins in a row, that is around 78%, and total PNL 227 from since starting from May. If we analyze this data and performance metrics, so major contribution is from losing streak. So if we avoid the big losses in a single trade, it will drastically improve our R multiple, that is risk reward ratios. So let's take example and let's check out. If I remove this max losing streak of 35,000 and max winning streak of 1 lakh rupees, win rate will be remain same because we are just deducting one losing trade and one winning trade. So win rate will not change, but R multiple will drastically improve. So let's check that on here. So I will remove this losing day of minus 35,000, not losing day, losing trades, because immediately in second trade we have made 20,000. So overall days loss was 15,000, but as a trade it count as a minus 35,000, and it is a maximum losing streak, and maximum winning streak was 1 lakh. So I will remove this also. So now let's go to our analytics. Now you can see this reward is showing more than 3. It is showing almost 3.67, or you can say 4. So 1 to 4, and max losing streak is minus 4,000 rupees. So because of that one major mistake, or we have holded that trade, we lost 35,000 in that trade, so our average losers become around 10 to 11,000 rather than minus 4,000 rupees. So let's go back to this and again add these details. Just a moment. So as I have mentioned, win rate improved bit, that is by 2%, so it is showing 81%. Earlier it was around 78%. So let's add these details back. So I will add this winning trade, I will add this losing trade. So you can see we are again back to 78% win rate, and this reward or R multiple reduced from 4 to 2. So why I am discussing this in detail? Because key to success in trading is controlling our losses in single trade. So we need to avoid big losses in one single trade. If we can make multiple losses in a row, that will be okay. That will reduce the win rate, but that will improve our multiple or risk reward ratio, because if we lose couple of trades in a row also, that will not impact our overall performance, that will only impact win rate, but our overall performance will improve. So let's take an example again. So suppose next week if we lose one trade and we lose around 3,000 rupees in first trade, that is 10 points. So I have added minus 3,000 rupees here, and again on Tuesday we lose around say 15 points. So I trade with the 300 quantity, so we lose around 15 points on Tuesday. On Monday we lost 10 points, on Tuesday we lost 15 points. So on Monday we have made loss of 3,000, on Tuesday we made lots of 5,000 rupees. So let's see how this analytics change. Now if you can see this reward ratio or R multiple cross 2, earlier it was showing 1.7, now it is 2 plus. And because average loser got reduced from 11,000 to 9,000 rupees. Average winner will not change until and unless we make further profit. And as I have mentioned, win rate reduced from 78% to 70%. So that's the reason we need to learn to take small losses and avoid big losses in a single trade, because generally we stick to one trade and we rely on outcome of that one single trade or what that single trading day. So we need to think long term, and we need to detach ourselves from that outcome of single trade or single losing day. In terms of performance, so I have added that table here also here. So in May 25, if we consider average capital of, let me zoom in. So in May, if we consider average capital of 50,000 rupees, then profit and loss we have seen around gross profit we have made 150, so returns we have made around 300%. And June 25, as I have mentioned, I have kept 50,000 rupees capital strictly, and we have made around 80,000 rupees, or you can mention, because before checking the PNL I randomly added say 80,000 because I was not aware whether it is 77,000 or 78,000. So let's add 78,000 gross profit, so it is around 156%. So till first week returns we have made. So let's see how this month go further. There are still 3 weeks to go, or 15 trading days, 14 to 15 trading days. So we need to focus on our controlling on our losses rather than profit, because the first week went very well after some losses we have made in last week of May. Okay friends, so hope you find this video useful. Keep watching, keep learning.